How to build and raise your credit score. Your credit score is going to have a big impact on how much you pay for a loan, whether it be to buy a car or to get a mortgage to buy a home. When getting ready to buy a home, I always advise people to run their credit score and see what they can do to improve it. The earlier you start the process, the more time you will have to improve your score and obtain the best possible mortgage rate. If you're just starting out and have no credit history, the best thing to do is to establish credit by applying for credit cards and developing a payment history. Since length of credit is a factor in determining your credit score, this should be started well before you want to take out a loan for a car or a mortgage. If you're having trouble getting your first credit card because you're a new risk to a lender, you can start with a secured credit card, which basically is secure with your own money. The key is to use the card and pay off the entire balance each month. This will not only help your score, but keep you from paying the high interest rates credit card companies charge. If you already have established credit, you should review your credit report thoroughly. Many times there are errors which you may not be aware of that have a negative impact on your credit score. These errors can include accounts being reported twice, closed accounts that still appear on your credit, payments being reported late when you can document that they weren't, or even accounts on your credit score, on your credit report that are not even yours. You need to contact the credit agency that's reporting these errors and dispute them in writing. Depending on the issue and the creditor that's reporting the disputed amounts, this could take some time. So it's important to be diligent so your credit score can be improved by the time you're ready to take out your next loan. How do credit agencies determine your credit score? A credit score is also known as a FICO score and can range from 300 to 850, although 800 is the highest I've ever heard of. A credit score of 700 is considered a good credit score, and a credit score of 720 or above will get you the best rates. Your score is determined by the following: 35% payment history, 30% amount of your debt, 15% length of your credit history, 10% new credit, and 10% credit mix. Payment history is how you are about making your payments on time. Again, I recommend paying off your credit cards in full each month, as it will help your score and keep you out of the high interest rate credit card debt so many people get stuck in. The amount of debt is the total amount of debt which appears on your credit report. If you have a lot of outstanding debt as a percentage of your available credit, that can hurt your score. The length of your credit history is a factor. The longer your credit history, the better. If you have new credit, that can be a plus, as others have vetted you. But too much new credit as a percentage of your total credit history could hurt your score. Your credit mix is the different types of credit you have. This could include credit cards, installment loans such as car loans, or a mortgage loan. Having a good credit mix shows again that you've been vetted and approved by a variety of lenders that have found you creditworthy. One thing to be aware of that many people don't realize that can hurt your score is the number of new credit inquiries on your report. If you're shopping for a home or a car and have your credit report run by several sources, it will hit your credit score, and you'll be asked about those inquiries by your lender when you do apply. They want to make sure that you did not apply somewhere else as well. Other things you can do to improve your credit score is to be added as an authorized user to someone else's credit card that has an excellent credit score. This will boost your score as well. Another is to ask for increases of credit from your current lenders on your existing credit cards. This will give you a lower percentage of balance against your total credit limit, which will boost your score. All of these should be done well before you apply for a mortgage. I hope this helps you on your path to building and raising your credit score. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will help me provide you with more valuable videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.